So the ammunition we're using today is the Fiocchi 45 230 grain full mount jacket. Alright, so as you can see here, did some shooting here at the 25-yard marker for the correction chart, and with the 1911 I'm breaking my wrist, I'm tightening my grip, so I'm tightening the fingers, so I'm pushing the front of the pistol down, so to get perfect, I'm going to work on that. I only got, let's see how many I got through now, 50, 60. I probably got 60 through it now. So I'm gonna go reload and give it another whirl. It says I'm gonna do about 100, 150, and then I'll break it down and clean it. Alright, so as you can see here, I tried 2, 3, 4, I probably tried 6 up there around the head area. It's pretty tiny. Yeah, so that was well, 120 to 50, no, it was less than 150 rounds through the Rock Island Armory 1911. Had no problems whatsoever. Ran the Fiocchi, ran some UMC. No problems either way. 130 rounds so far, and it's pretty accurate. Pretty accurate. So initial thoughts on the Rock Island during the break-in period is for the price, it's a hell of a buy. So if you guys are looking for 1911, you know, the Springfield GI is pretty cheap. The Para is pretty cheap, but the Rock Island for 450 bucks, I'm gonna call it a steal. Seriously, it's really good stuff. Anyway, if you guys got any questions, let me know. Until next time, later.